What's cracking, everybody? It's your boy King Fresh, and we are here in the one and only beautiful city of San Diego, guys. We're out here for the SoCal Euro event. You know, we gotta get turned up no matter where I go. Like, I don't know, man. And to be honest, guys, I think I should start being sponsored by Ciroc. I'm always drinking Ciroc, and I always have Ciroc on deck, guys. But you know, it ain't a car meal unless you're kind of like fucked up, guys. Let's be realistic. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe and become a part of the Cave Gang movement. Thank you guys for all the support and enjoy this video, guys. We came all the way from LA to San Diego and we're out here to have a good time. Let's go. Hey.
I know it's red.
Hey. Simmer down, lady. I know where you live.
It doesn't say no. Oh, it does say no turn on.
It does say no turn. Alright, guys, so we're pulling up to the stadium right here in San Diego right now. Look how packed it is. A lot of people came to the event. SoCal Euro is a beautiful day out here in San Diego. So we are here at Punch Buggy Heaven. We got the Ninja Turtle right here. Looking like a nice little lineup. I feel sorry for you though, Punch Buggy. I'm not gonna hit you, but here. Damn, let me drink my drink, girl. Anyways, guys, we got the Punch Buggy section right here, guys. I'm digging it and I'm liking it. Oh, imagine one of this, but like a cave mobile gang, like a cave mobile, like a little cave car right here. Oh, orgy parties and everything in that bad boy. Check out this dope ass car right here. I feel like Dominic Toretto drives this car. I could see him like changing his gears and shit. Alright, guys, we're out here at the Euro King booth. This is the Presidente right here, always chilling with the Pacifico. There it is, representing. Here's his crew right here, his little lineup right here. Alright, guys, so we're in the event right now. We got some Audis over here on this side right now. We got some Volkswagens para acá on this side. That purple Audi just looks flawless, guys. All the way to the floor. Love the color. The rims look hella sexy. The roll cage in the back looks A1 as well, guys. They're beautiful cars. I'm digging the green one, guys. The green one looks super beautiful, guys. It's one of the best cars out here. We got the S3, which is in red as well. It looks beautiful too. We got the matte black right here with the carbon fiber meter caps. Audi gang RS7 right here, guys. All right. Oh, check out this one right here. Cause race car right here, guys. And I think it looks aggressive. And they've been using the shit out of this car. Look at this. I dig that. These are my three favorite colors, guys. Look at this. Charcoal gray, we got the orange, and then my favorite color, my favorite color in a car is this color, guys. I'm wrapping something this color, guys. I'm just letting you know right now. That's the exact color that I love. We got an M3 and then we got an M6 copper edition over there. It reminds me of the Maserati that I always see around. Mercedes is a very cocky brand. Look how big the Mercedes logo is in the front. It's bigger than anybody's dick right here. Comes race car right here. No bumper. Turbo gang right here. Love the color right here on this car. Dude, the M6 looks fire as hell. I feel like with this wrap, you get like a bunch of pennies and then you put them all together and then you make the wrap. That's how this wrap is made, with a bunch of pennies. This car reminds me of the McDonald's, like a clown is driving this car. You got the Lightning McQueen E92 M3. You got the little happy face. My drink matches his car. We're just gonna pour a little bit of Ciroc on it. All right. We got a little bit of the classic action for you. These cars go for a lot of money, guys. Just the body itself is like $30,000. Then plus whatever you're gonna restore with it or whatever, it's like. But at the end of the day, once they're nicely done, they look really beautiful, guys. Oh, look at this car right here. Hey, full of Chuckies. Ain't a party without the GTR, guys. Pretty sexy car right here, guys. Big fan of it. In San Diego, we got a subscriber. Hey, thanks for the support, bro. Oh, yeah, do it. I'll send me that, bro. I'll post that shit out of it. Hey, thanks for the support, bro. Thank you, I'll see you around, bro. Let's take a shot for the subscriber, guys. Alright, guys, we came across my own personal car right here. I brought it to the show because I just felt like it needed to be a part of the show. Don't mind all my stuff in the back because I'm moving out. Yeah, it's really nice, guys. Check out over here. I got the custom rust right here for you guys. Just letting like real good. We got a good ass beat right now, guys. Good ass beat going on right now. We got the beautiful i8 right here, guys. Love the engine. The wide body E46 M3. He's SMG. We got the roll cage. Took out the back seats. Convertible. It's your boy King Fresh. We're out here right now. We're gonna take that W right now, guys. Oh, 1 for 1, baby. I gotta shoot it. You can't compete with me. I got skills. I'm good at everything. That was close. That was close. Oh, come on. Gary needs a new pair of shoes. Oh, 2 for 2. Wah, wah, wah. My ex needs the lipo. Ocupa lipo en el fundido. Let's go. If I get this, he's gonna get the lipo. Oh. Oh, if I make this, I have a big ass cock. Huge ass cock. I'm the winner.
Waiting.
We are getting some 1320 action, guys, right now for you.
And we're ready.
I think the Beamer might win. Yep, Beamer for the win.
Oscar Lopez. Vincent Lee.
Alright guys, so you know I'm Mexican as hell, so I have to come to the raspados section right here. So we got the raspados right here. Pretty decent price. Se ven chingones, look. I'll zoom into this guy. They're pretty decent raspados. I don't think I gave him permission to use a picture myself. Here, so I ended up getting mango, cherry, and cotton candy, huh? Cotton candy. Cotton candy, so we'll see what's up right now. Alright, thank you, bro. The cotton candy is good, huh? Cherry? So this is a wolf. Alright. Hey, boy. Very friendly.
He's a Mexican gray wolf.
There it is. Mexican werewolf.
Very big. Want to see his teeth?
He's from Sinaloa. Check it out, guys.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we're Mexicans together, buddy. Viva la raza. I like when they have like little pecheras and what's going on here, guys? It went from being to cars into porn, like dog porn and shit. It's an orgy party. Hey, no ass sniffing here, buddy.
He's fine around larger dogs. I mean, even
Hey, buddy.
he knows the difference. But if it's like a Chihuahua, he'll try to go.
Okay, so he's Mexican. He's a Mexican wolf, but he's Chihuahuas, guys. Oh my god. Oh, yeah, it's a party everywhere here. Does he bite?
Hank.
Huh?
Akita.
Oh.
No.
What's his name?
I kind of want to get bit. I was hoping this guy bit me, but I guess not.
Why?
Everybody ever seen in the comments that a lot of you to become president 2020, and I have good news for you guys. I am officially president. Okay, president. Soy presidente de México. Yo voto para los narcos y para la droga. Todos vamos a vender drogas y vamos a tener sexo sin condón. I'm gonna do the first thing as I become president. Now that I'm president, I'm gonna get rid of all condoms. Nobody's gonna wear condoms because that is a waste of money. And we're just gonna have a good time.
Fucking stupid.
And there's gonna be one rule. You can only have 30 kids. After that, we're gonna have to take your life away because that's too much. With that said, muchas gracias y bienvenido al planeta que es. It ain't a party without the Target guy. Hey, buddy. How many months?
He's 4 months.
Oh, we got a baby Target guy. Check him out. Scooters has officially swept the nation. Oh my god. Over. We must stop the scooters. First Santa Monica and now San Diego. Perfect view, guys. One day I'm gonna buy a boat like that. I'm gonna have like a big ass party, a bunch of naked women, and everybody's invited. So I've been hearing this little flute all day long since we got here, and I finally found the source. Check it out, guys. That guy right there. Oh my god, a scooter, park that shit. So I found the source, guys. He's right here. Oh my god, they're everywhere, I'm telling you. Jesus Christ, look at this guy, here's another level right here. Whoa. Watch it, watch it, watch it. You're about to get run over by the scooters. Guys, look at this, it's so hot and there's a Darth Vader all black. He probably has a sweaty oh, he scared the shit out of the lady. Something's popping right here, guys. There's a lot of people here. What's going on here? Oh, whoa. We got the paletero guy right here. He's popping right now. I like buying these guys because they never look like the character in the bag. I got a SpongeBob last time. He was missing a tooth and an eyeball. It was weird. Now I got a Sonic, so let's see if he actually looks like Sonic. That's why I love buying them. Alright, so this is the picture, guys. I just opened it right now. This is the picture, though. Let's see if he looks like it.
Oh shit, it does. Well, kind of. Except for that part.
Oh wow, I think the back part looks exactly the same.
That's the closest you're gonna get.
Wow, yeah, it looks the same from the back. Dino Mart, guys. Check out this. Haven't heard about this. It's basically like a dinosaur gas station. I think you put gas in it, comes with some fossils and shit and bones of your favorite dinosaur. And then I guess it clogs up your engine and stuff like that, and where your gas tank goes, and it blows up your car. Alright guys, so we're right here at the gas lamp. Two girls, one scooter. That's the next porn. Tune in. Two girls, one scooter. Going to Sunset Cliffs right now, guys, so we're on our way. Hey. You guys remember that one Lobo dog from the Carmi? That's his breakfast right there.
Yo quiero Taco Bell.
Damn. Pitbull status right here, guys. Wow, the toughest chihuahua I've ever met. Oh, she's getting gangbanged. Not the gangbang.
I can't virgin forever.
She managed to survive the horny dogs. What's her name? Callie. Nice job, Callie. And she's fixed, so she's good. Yeah, there you go. She's on the birth control. Damn. Super nice. Right here though, I want 30 hickeys on my ball sack and I'm The surfers are crazy. The water's so cold, guys. I'm pretty sure they're gonna have 100% shrimps. One false move to my death. But yeah, guys, this view is so beautiful, guys. It reminds me kind of like Catalina Island, but I came just on time for the sunset, guys. It doesn't get any better than this, guys. Like, I know it's gonna look amazing with the camera, but you guys have to live it, smell it. That pussy smell, oh my god, it's so beautiful. You know we can't come to San Diego without coming to Tacos El Gordo. It's about, what time is it right now? It's 8:05 and the line is pretty huge, guys. It goes around the building, as you can see. So we are here at Tacos El Gordo. After this, we're gonna go to Tijuana. You see, this is right there, Tijuana. We got the Parrot Man, only at Tacos El Gordo, guys. Here's the full experience with everything, guys. This place is 1,000 times better than La Una in Las Vegas. Maybe because it's so close to the border, like I said, guys. But we're about to eat. But like I said, guys, if you're in San Diego, you have to come to the Tacos El Gordo. We got TJ right there, guys. It's just crazy how that border right there is like what divides us from the United States and Mexico. And like so many people on that side that want to come to this side, you know what I mean? We're gonna conclude the vlog right here at the borderline, Mexico and United States. The fact that there's a border patrol, he's like just looking at me already is kind of sketchy, but hey, they can't do anything to me. I got my IDs, I got my underwears, I got everything, so I'm strapped. But anyways, guys, thanks for the support, and I hope you enjoyed the vlog from today. And like always, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe and become a part of the Cave Gang. Let's go. Look how rusted this thing is, guys. That's crazy. Got the border right here. So like, look, my finger is now a Mexico. It's in Mexico territory. That's crazy.